Much of what lies beneath the ocean's surface remains a dark mystery. Yet within those depths exists one of the most nutrient-dense water sources on the planet. Off the coast of Kona, 3,000 feet below the ocean surface and far from light or civilization, is a renewable deep ocean current where we source Kona Deep. This remarkably pure deep ocean water is responsibly harvested and brought to the surface where salt is removed and the water is bottled at the source. 97% of the world's water comes from the ocean, so by tapping into this unique source, we are able to preserve our limited land-based fresh water supply. Recent studies show Kona Deep rehydrates twice as fast as bottled spring water or sports drinks, and unlike most performance waters, which add artificial electrolytes, Kona Deep's natural deep ocean minerals keep your body hydrated, balanced, and performing just as nature intended. Kona Deep is like no other bottled water because our source is like no other on the planet. Bottled at the source, perpetual and pure.